Okay, so we're going to do the key of E. I'm just going to show you a few of the kind of the tricks that I use. I love playing in the key of E. It's super good. And the main thing about the key of E on all these worship songs is that you can leave these top two strings kind of droning. So let me just go through the basic chords here. I don't like to play my E, the regular E. I do every once in a while. But for the most part, we're gonna, if you're on a A2, let me make sure you can see it. Okay. So if you play your A and I play them with my ring and my pinky finger, and that is on the second fret on the third and fourth strings, that's your A2. And the idea behind the key of E is that if you slide that up and you put down your first finger, so we're going X, you have to mute that top string most of the time. So you're going X, 2, 4, 4. That's a B sus. If you take that same shape up 2 frets, you have your C sharp minor. If you take it up 1, 2, 3 frets, that's an E. And that's the E that I like to play pretty much anytime I'm in the key of E. Now the beautiful thing about it is that shape, like I said, just kind of goes down the guitar, and you've got your basic A, C, B, C sharp minor, back to E. Now for B, I like to play, so the way it works is when I play this E right here, I take my middle finger and lay it down on the 4th string on the 8th fret. That's my E. And I go ahead and put that middle finger on that string because when I take my other 3 fingers and move them up 1 string each. So now I'm playing the top string on the 7th fret, the 9th fret, the 9th fret, and the 8th fret. That's a B, and that's a really famous Phil Wickham B. So I can go for my E, and I just lift up all these fingers 1 string and play my B. And so that's kind of the point behind this How Marvelous. We're going to start here on the E, and then we're just going to move those fingers up. And then we'll move them back. And this middle finger just stays hard onto the 8th fret, 4th string. It's just these other fingers that will be 7, 9, 9 on the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th strings, and then we lift them up for the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and then you've got this 8th fret down here. So that's kind of the idea. When we get to the chorus, you're going to have to walk it up, and so you'll have to go down here to this normal F sharp minor, is my regular E, save, change it to the A2, yours, slide up 2 frets for the B, and then I slide it all the way up to the 7, 9, 9 for the E. Now the other tricky thing is on this song is the rhythm. So the piano will start it, but then the guitar comes in, and you just want to make sure that you have this down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. And that's the general idea. Now I'll throw in other strumming in between that, but those are the ones that you really want to stress. So it'll be like, I sing. Alright. Now the other trick I want to show you is rather than playing this A all the way down here on the 2nd fret, I, in the key of E, like to play my A on the 6th and 7th fret with my middle finger on the 6th fret, 4th string, my ring finger on the 3rd string, 7th fret. I call that my 6-7 A. And all the strings can be open. And again, you're still going to get this droning down here. And it's really easy to get to because if you're on this E, you just slide your ring finger down a couple frets and lay your middle finger down, and now you're at your A. So when I'm playing through this verse, I'm not going to go all the way down here to get my A. I'm going to stay here on my E, get my middle finger down. I'm going to go up the strings for my B, And then I'm just going to slide my middle finger down to the 6th fret and lay my ring finger down to get my A. So the verse will look, I stand amazed in the down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Slide my middle finger to the 6th fret, lay my ring finger down, down, up, down, up. Back to the E, I just slide up 2 frets, down, up, and my middle finger's staying down the whole time. We're gonna have to go to the F sharp. Sorry. All right, so I'm just gonna play it through. I think I've gone over all the chords, but for the most part, you're just gonna stay home on this X799, and then you're gonna lift up for 7, 9, 9, 8, and all these strings down here are just gonna keep humming. All right, so let's try it from the top, and I'll try to sing it as we go.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Up, down,
verse.
Up, down, up. I stand. Down, down, up, down. My middle finger's down so I can reach up. Up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Reach down. Down, up, down, up, down.
All in. Chorus.
I'm going to reach up for the beat. I'm going to slide down to the 4th and 6th frets. My middle finger comes up. F sharp minor, regular E, regular A, slide up for the B, and slide up back to the E. Now I put my middle finger down, so I'm ready to go. And if you play the 8 notes in between, you're like a shaker. You just gotta stress the down, up, down, down,
chorus,
up, down. So really I'm playing all 8th notes, but I'm stressing, just keeps going on. We're going to slide down to the 4th and 6th frets, middle finger comes up, regular F sharp, regular E, regular A, slide.
Repeat chorus, a cappella.
And then we're out.